Hey guys, it's Erica and welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing well, keeping safe and healthy. So as you can tell from the title, this is another Mejuri video. I'm super excited. They reached out to me and they sent me a beautiful package, which is right here, and I'm super excited to open it. I love the gold. If you know me, I'm a gold girl, so this is exciting. So let's just get right into this one. Like so. Inside it says fancy seeing you here. So this is the card that it comes with. It has the order number / gift receipt on the back, along with a QR code that has the care guide and any information in regarding returns and exchanges. Our products always come in a bag. This is the bag that it comes in, super cute. Kind of reminds me of Santa's sack. Really fitting for the season. So inside, we have a white box, which is really nice. It just says Mejuri. Their logo is embossed here as well. So I'm gonna carefully open this because things might just fall out. So inside here, we have a care cleaner. Also comes with a little pouch. This is the product. So Mejuri has sent me these cute earrings. I don't have anything of this sort, so this is the one that they sent me, which is really cute. I'm gonna bring out the other one as well. So they're really cute, really cute. So they're probably gonna be my everyday go-to earrings. Whenever I get new earrings in, they become my everyday earrings essentially. And I think because these are so simplistic that they can be everyday earrings, you could probably dress these up as well depending on your outfit. But for me, these are totally like an office wear kind of jewelry as well. So I'm gonna hold my hair back, just show you guys the earrings. They're super cute. I have other pieces of jewelry with it just because I don't like taking these out. This is so cute. I really, really love them. They're so light. When earrings are heavy, they just pull your earlobes down and they kind of stretch out your piercing, and I don't like those kind of earrings. So I love when earrings are super light. I know that they're not hurting my ears or not wrecking them, so these are perfect. What I also like is that you can see them from a distance, even though they are really tiny, because they are a little wider. So I like that. When earrings are too thin, you can't really see them, and this one you can probably see them from a further distance just because they are a little bit bigger, and I kind of like that fact. Alright, so that is the end of this video. I hope that you liked it. If you're interested in purchasing this product, don't forget to check the link down below. They have tons of new things coming out. This is part of their new line, so I'm very excited. So I just want to say thank you so much to Mejuri for these beautiful earrings. I really appreciate your generosity. And thank you to you guys who have stayed tuned and watched the whole video. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and notification bell so you're aware of when I upload my next video. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram because I post a lot of content on there. You can almost guarantee that I post at least 1 or 2 a week. If you guys have any questions or comments, you can leave them in the comment section down below. If you want to connect with me on Instagram, you can do that as well. I answer fairly quickly. So I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye!